showing you how to fold a bird base. For those who don't know what a bird base, how to fold it. So you fold it diagonally, then fold it diagonally again, open up, fold this in half, again. Once again, fold this diagonally, but this time take this flap, then push this down, and open the other flap, squash it. Next, fold this part to the center crease, same thing for the other side, and on the back. Next, take this triangle flap, fold it down, same thing on the other side. Open up the flaps on both sides. Take this, fold it up to here, like that. Then take this, fold it like that, and done. You have a bird base. I think most, if not all, of my videos involve using the bird base, so it's very useful.